The Podo Stripe glue-on brace offers quick and effective help for ingrown, involuted, and deformed nails. It can provide the perfect preparation in severe cases in which the nail fold is not yet accessible enough to apply a wire brace. Alternatively, it can be used prophylactically after a successful wire brace treatment. As an all-round talent, it is equally suitable for the cosmetic correction of deformed nails. The tension of the glue-on brace gently lifts the ingrown nail upwards, relieving painful tissue and allowing the nail to return to its normal and straight growth. The Podo Stripe brace consists of an elastic plastic stripe with an adhesive pad at each end and a tab. It is suitable even for diabetics, risk patients, and children. The Podo Stripe brace is available in several sizes for different nail widths. For your own protection and that of your patients, please always wear protective gloves and make sure to take the appropriate safety precautions, such as a surgical mask and protective glasses. Clean the nail fold before you position the brace. Take care not to cause any unnecessary irritation. Remove any loose parts from the nail surface. Use a nail file or a milling tool to smooth out very rough nails or to gently roughen very smooth nails. Choose the most suitable brace size. Please take into account that when stretched, the brace will be between 0.7 and 2.7 millimeters longer. The brace should be positioned as close as possible to the most ingrown or painful side of the nail, but without touching the tissue. Before treatment, the entire treatment area must be disinfected thoroughly. To do so, use either skin disinfecting spray or the appropriate skin disinfectant wipes. Clean the brace and the nail thoroughly using the alcohol swab and let them dry well for about 30 seconds. Screw open the glue and wipe the brush across the bottle rim, once on each side. Cover the first pad with a thin layer of glue. Use only a small amount of glue to allow the brace to stick to the nail in an optimal way. Place the first end of the brace on the most ingrown side of the nail. Then press the glued pad down onto the nail for about 20 seconds with your finger. Avoid moving the brace around during this process. Then let the glue dry for 2 minutes without interfering. Wipe off the brush again on both sides and apply a thin layer of glue to the second pad. Make sure not to tug at the glued end of the brace so you don't pull it off by mistake. Now stretch the brace by 0.7 to 2.7 millimeters, depending on the size of the brace, the thickness of the nail and the indication. Pull the brace parallel to the nail. Place the stretched brace onto the nail and press down the second pad for about 30 seconds. Make sure not to move the brace around after placing it on the nail. Then let the glue dry again for 2 minutes without interfering. Use the Podo Stripe pliers to clip the tab. To remove the brace, detach both ends with the pliers and pull the brace off the nail. You can remove any glue residue from the nail by using a nail file or a milling tool.